This was a fun recipe I found on Pinterest. It's like an apple cinnamon bread with some type of apple cinnamon streusel, I think that's what it's called, that goes on the top, and you swirl it in. It came out pretty moist and really good alternative to like banana bread. And yeah, it's just kind of hard to remember to take like an after shot because, you know, when you have dogs and kids and a husband, but here's the best I could do.